welcome back. The first time we ran the M3 it was September last year and it was actually quite cool, so the car had no real issues and there's definitely no cooling problems.
But in March it was hot, really hot, and so we had a problem. And it's all because of this man, the legend behind Lotus, Colin Chapman. Colin Chapman built all of his cars by adding lightness, and there is no denying that Lotus built fast but sometimes fragile cars. And this is why there are so many lightweight panels on my car. So when I saw track E30s using a much lighter radiator, I thought we could save a few kilos. Except those cars are in England. And my car is in Australia. And so...
Can you work out what happened next?
Yeah, it didn't work.
So we need to replace the radiator. We've got an M3 radiator from an E36 which will go into the car. That means we need a box of goodies.
We've got hoses, oil lines, caps, clips and German things that sound like they should be sausages. But best of all, we've got a great big radiator. And it fits. So now we have the radiator in place, we need to make sure the cooling fan fits and, well, works. Here we're mocking up the expansion tank location. And then, with some TV magic, bang, we have a new one. We've also got a new oil cap. And it's all looking pretty good. So, let's move on to getting these side skirts done. First up, we need to take them off the car. We've got these little fancy aluminium clips, and there they are.
Sure, Mr. Carbon Fibre. You said Colin Chapman told you to add lightness. So why are you keeping them flares in fiberglass and not making them light?
Yeah, good point, well made. It comes down to effort. I will make some eventually, but for now, just got to get all the old decals off first. Leaves a bit of a residue, of course. We'll need to get that off with some thinners. There we go, rub-a-dub-dub. And now everyone's favourite job, sanding. Sanding. So much sanding. Safety first, of course. You'll notice that not only am I wearing a mask, but I'm also wearing sandals over my socks. It's a Tasmanian thing. We love that stuff here. And for some reason I got absolutely no footage of these in primer. So let's mix up some paint and we'll try out our new head cam. Note that even though we are in Tasmania, we got away with using one head cam and not two. Never gets old. Basically what we're doing here is painting these in 2-pack paint. They were painted in acrylic and they look just a little bit crap. So this will fix that. Top tool tip, always filter your paint, always. Let's give it some air and start to squirt some paint on. Anyone that does this for a living will note that my technique is terrible, but you get away with all sorts of things with a race car. I did spend a bit of coin on this spray gun. I've always used cheap guns and this one makes a massive difference. You can see here we've also got to get out the heat gun, give it a bit of warmth to speed the drying time of that paint up. Just helps with runs and sags on a reasonably cold winter's day in Tasmania. Still not as cold as England though, in winter. Of course I've never actually been, but I've seen the videos. And there we go. Beautiful, glossy, sleek 2-pack black paint. Not bad for garage job. Now we've got them on the car and they look fantastic. Well, thanks for watching, hit subscribe, and in the next video we'll have a chat about the lightweight dash we're making. And remember, tool on!